All right, let's watch this video.
You know you have what it takes to command bank. In this place, I have no kobo in bank. I send one of our members here, go to bank and get me 500,000. The banker did not check the balance, account balance. She gave the money. Later on, now she entered to withdraw, to minus the money. Nothing. It got to my ear. And I called, tell her to check it again. I didn't transfer. I don't have shit. Maybe when she checked, 585,000 entered. She withdraw it.
Oga, if na me they tell you this story now, you go believe. No, as a mature man where you be, if I sit you down and begin to tell you the kind of story, you go believe me. You go believe. I don't know why would they lie to our people. Why would they lie like this? No, I don't really know whether when they feel say will be fool. I don't really know whether when they feel say who you man will be fool. Cause he lie where they lie. Whoosh. Man.